Hey guys, glad to see you again. My name is Yan Sikorski. Today I want to share with you top 7 ideas for the next market session. First of all, as usual, let's see how my previous ideas work out. Let's start with euro dollar. On the previous recommendation, as I said, if price form falls breakout of this important resistance level around 1.1350, you can short this currency pair. In this case, your first target will be around 1.1280. As you can see, price hit my first target in this currency pair. Another idea was in the pound USD. I said if price from reversal model near this resistance level around 1.2650, you can short this currency pair. In this case, the first target will be around 1.2550. As you can see, price almost hit my first target here. Canadian dollar, I also recommended you long Canadian dollar after false breakout of 1.35, and as you can see, price hit my first target around 1.36. Another idea was in the PayPal. I recommended you long PayPal. As you can see, this idea still work. Our first target will be around 188 level. Another idea in Visa, unfortunately, price not from our entry points, because for entry points, as I said, we have to wait for the price hold above 194. And when price hold above this level, we can long these stocks. In this case, our first target will be around $200 per share. And the last idea was in Disney stock. As you can see, price break this trend line and then form consolidation. Then within a positive from breakout of this consolidation. That's why I say this pretty nice opportunity to take a loan in these stocks. And in this case, your first target will be around 122. And I think like this idea still work right now, and maybe today, tomorrow, price hit our first target. Well, right now let's move on to today's ideas. Euro dollar right now stay in inside important support level, and that's why we have to wait how price will break for this level. I mean, if we can see how price was in a positive from breakout of this level, then pullback fractal, yeah, we can short this currency pair. In this case, our first target will be around 1.1250. Another hand, if we can see how price from reversal model or false breakout of this level, we can long this currency pair. In this case, our first target will be around 1.1350. Just the same idea in a pound USD. Right now, price near important support level. That's why we have to wait how price will be react for this level. If we can see price within a positive from breakout of 1.26, we can wait pullback fractal, and it will be nice opportunity to take a short. In this case, our first target will be around 1.25. Another options, if you can see how price from reversal model or false breakout of this level, we can long this currency pair. In this case, our first target will be around 1.2660. Canadian dollar also right now inside important level 1.3580. That's why we have to wait how price will be react for this level. I mean, if we can see how price from false breakout of this level and try to hold above this level, we can long this currency pair. In this case, our first target will be around 1.3620. Another hand, if you can see how price from breakout of this small level around 1.3560 and hold below this level, we can short this currency pair. In this case, our first target will be around 1.3510. Another idea in New Zealand USD, price also inside important level. Okay, unfortunately you cannot see this level right now. Like, okay, it's not matter. Price right now inside important support level. That's why we have to wait how price will react for this level. I mean, if you can see how price was in a positive from breakout of this level, like, let me just 1 second for move on to the lower time frame. Yep. If you can see how price was in a positive from breakout of this level, then hold below, we can short this currency pair. In this case, our first target will be around 0.6520. Another options, if you can see reversal model or false breakout of this level and price hold above 0.6550, we can long this currency pair. In this case, our first target will be around 0.6585. Another idea in gold. Gold right now looks very bullish because price tried to hold above. Let me show you on a higher time frame. Try to hold above this important important resistance level around 1800. That's why I recommended you long this instrument with like longer term perspective, and in this case your first target will be around 1900 in gold, but it will be much better if you wait for the price from breakout of this trend line. I mean, like this one, if price was in a positive from breakout of the trend line, pullback, and you can buy after pullback, and first target will be around 1900. Another idea in PayPal stocks, I recommend you to long these stocks, just wait for the price from pullback until 175, and then when price from pullback until 175, wait for price from false breakout of this level or just reversal model of this level, and you can long these stocks. In this case, the first target will be around 186 $186 per share. SMPC, this is another idea. I recommend you to wait for price from pullback until 190, and then just wait for price from false breakout of this level or reversal model of this level, and then when price formed our entry points, you can long these stocks. In this case, our first target will be around $205 per share. Yeah. Well, this is all ideas for today. Hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next video, guys.